Hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for this particular screencast presentation on learning to download apps on your iPhone. Lots of us have iPhones and it's always interesting to find new ways to download the app that you want to have. So the objective is by the end of this course, you will be prepared to download apps on your iPhone. Number one, recall the process of how to download an app. Number two, pick out some apps in your iPhone. Number three, download the app on your iPhone. And number four, click on the app to make sure that the download worked. What happens if you skip a step in the process of downloading an app? A, your phone will shut off. B, you will need to try the download again. C, it will mess up your other apps. Or D, you can skip a step because it really doesn't matter. B, you will need to try the download again. Number three, or slide three. Here are some steps that will help you to download your first app. In your iPhone, click on the App Store. Then click the search bar at the bottom to type in the app that you want. Then press Enter. Click on the app and then press the cloud, which means download. It actually looks like a cloud. These directions must be followed so that you'll be able to get the app on your phone the first time. If you happen to skip a step, it's okay. You can always start the process again. Why do you need to search for the app? A, because you may have the incorrect spelling of the app. B, because you can download it from somewhere else. C, because you are being specific in searching for a certain app. And D, because all apps are the same. C, because you are being specific in the app that you are searching for. And then it takes time to get the download process under control, but once you get it, of course, we all know practice makes perfect. So it's important to use the same process when you want to download other apps, such as Instagram, which is here, and it has been downloaded on an iPhone. What is in it for you? The goal is to download the apps that you want on your phone, and I hope to see the apps that you decide to include into your phone. Thank you for listening to this presentation.